Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty with a product that's been making waves in the nail polish scene. That's right, we're talking about the OPI nail lacquer in the shade Funny Bunny. Now, before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Alright, let's jump right in. The OPI nail lacquer in Funny Bunny is not your average white nail polish. It's a soft, creamy white that's perfect for those who want a chic and sophisticated look without being too bold. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a night on the town, this shade is versatile enough to suit any occasion. One of the things that sets OPI apart from other nail polish brands is its high-quality formula. The Funny Bunny nail lacquer provides sheer coverage that's buildable, allowing you to customize your look to your liking. Plus, it's chip-resistant and long-lasting, so you can flaunt your manicure with confidence. Now, let's talk application. To achieve the perfect Funny Bunny manicure, start by applying a coat of OPI Natural Nail Base Coat. This will provide a smooth surface for the polish to adhere to and help prevent chipping. Next, apply 2 coats of the Funny Bunny nail lacquer, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Finish off with a coat of OPI top coat for added shine and protection. You're left with a flawless manicure that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're a nail polish enthusiast or just looking to elevate your beauty routine, the OPI nail lacquer in Funny Bunny is a must-have addition to your collection. So there you have it, folks. That's our take on the OPI nail lacquer in Funny Bunny. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. And as always, stay tuned for more reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy polishing!